Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you guys an update on how my tires are looking at. I know last week I made some short videos, and I did a short video that me switching out, changing my bad tire and put on the spare, and the spare is looking like the bad tire right now. So both tires are done, everything is bad. And as I said, I do need to change my axle and the in and outer tie rod on the driver's side, and I do need to change the axle on the passenger side as well. And I'm gonna show you guys the damage, like how a bad axle could basically just mess up your tire, especially when the in and outer tie rods are bad as well. Now I already have the parts I already have the in and outer tie rods for both sides. I already changed the one for the passenger side, but the driver's side I do need to change the in and outer tie rods. I haven't changed that yet, and the axle needs to be changed. The only thing on the passenger side need to change is just the axle, and then after that get new tires and alignment. But let me show you guys the damage. I'm already outside. Oh man, flip my camera. It's over. It is over. Look at that. That's the making of the tire. I can't drive on this. I can't go on the highway with this, definitely not. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to get that shit done today, especially this side. I need both sides. I don't have the axle for the passenger, so that's gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait on that. I don't even think that I'm gonna drive my car no time soon until I basically get everything done. So this is the passenger side, not the passenger, this is the driver's side. I'm sorry, this is the driver's side. Y'all saw how bad, y'all see how bad the tire is. Well, the tire was already done, you know, no matter what, the tire is bad. It's smooth, the tire is already bad, but this right here is worse. This right here, it could basically pop anytime. And of course I'm still waiting on the light bulb to come for this side. The light bulb is out for this side, the headlights. Now look at this side right here. This is the passenger side. This side is done too. This tire is done. It's over with. It's a wrap, you feel me? And look at that mount. That mount. You guys probably can't see it. Look at the motor mount. But yeah, the tire is over with. It's done for. You feel me? This tire is gonna pop anytime soon. I can't work. I can't do no food delivery today, tomorrow, the next day. Not with that. So I gotta work on that. I'm gonna have to just order it, but before I order it, I'm gonna make sure I get this. This is the worst side. Both sides are bad, no matter what. Both sides are bad, but this is the worst side due to the in and outer tie rod is done for, plus the axle is done. I don't know about the ball joints, gotta check those, but I do have the parts anyway, so I'm gonna get that done today. This side definitely done today. So guys, when it let you guys know, when you go to a shop and they basically explain to you guys and be like, hey, your axle is bad, and you think that, oh, it's all fun and games. I understand right now things are hard, you know, nobody got it like that. Everybody is struggling right now. And the people who is not struggling and doing good, thumbs up to y'all. I'm happy for y'all. But yeah, I can't. Last night I actually made, yesterday, not even last night, yesterday I ended up making 100 $175 by delivering food from DoorDash. I could have made more, but I skipped a lot of orders that was taking me on the highway because I could have made way more. It was booming. It was definitely booming. I was getting $30 order, 25, 20, 30, 29, 27. But it was going on the highway, and due to my situation with the axle and my tires, man, I would have ended up with a blowout. Probably would have ended up in the accident. Probably would have licked up into somebody. Shout out to my friend. She loved the way how my Antiguan accent is. Sorry about that. But anyway, she watched this anyway, so I'm not gonna even say her name. I was talking to her yesterday. She was like, Kamois. She was like, Kamois, why don't you, when you make your YouTube videos, why can't you talk? You should talk. She was like, you should talk into your Antiguan accent. But it's so sad because I'm from the Virgin Islands and my mom is from Antigua, and I picked up the Antiguan accent from my mom, and I have family there. I have family in the Virgin Islands as well. I wish I had the Crucian, because I'm from St. Croix. I wish I had the Crucian accent, but I don't. I have more of the Antiguan accent, could speak the dialect in the Antiguan dialect. But yeah, I probably, as I said, let me repeat myself, I probably would have get into an accident and probably lose control. Because if you're going a certain speed, if you're going like what, like it could be like 40, 45, 50, and the axle and the axle and the in and out of tie rods is already bad, and you get a blowout. You know how hard it is to control the vehicle. Like, you're gonna have to literally hold. Maybe I would have lost control, because it's gonna happen so instantly, so fast, and you're gonna feel more pull on whichever tire blew out. So as I said, yeah, I probably would have licked up into somebody and mash up my car, probably get in a bad accident, of course. Hey, the both of us would have been hurt. They probably would have caused a big accident anyways, because you never know. Spin out of control, lost control, incoming traffic would have probably hit me, hit somebody. It would have been done. It would have caused a big accident. So I was like, nah. Yeah, so I was like, nah, I'm not taking that risk. I'm not going to go on the highway. I'm straight. I'm good. Not going on the highway. So I skipped a lot. I skipped a lot of good orders yesterday. I would have made over $200 with in a landslide. Quick, easy. $200, but I skipped a lot of good orders. I just couldn't do it. I had to do everything city and on the main road. I couldn't do no highways, none of that. I had to do everything in the main road. Yeah. So today I called my homeboy. I asked him, yo, hit up your friend from the dealership, and asked him. I told him that I made $175. I did drop $20 in my tank. And I used my points, so I ended up paying $1.69. So the $20 end up filling my tank yesterday. I had like, how much? Maybe about 17 more miles I had. Or no, I had like 30 something miles left. And I end up filling up my tank from paying $1.69 for gas, because I used the points. But yeah, I hit up my friend, told him to call his friend from the dealership and asked him if he's going to be available today. I could pay him $100 to get the in and out of tie rod replaced, get the axle replaced, and I'll pay him $100. I wish I had the passenger side. I wonder if I could call my cousin and ask her if I could borrow $100. I might, to see. And if I could get it locally, like go to one of those local auto parts store and get it, I'll do that. So I could just knock out everything, and all I gotta worry about is just getting the alignment and tires, of course. I got another spare in my house. I might have to use that spare. Hey, everything is bad right now. I'm doing terrible. But you know, if you're doing terrible, other people out there doing worse than you. People out there actually doing worse than me. So me and my homeboy had this conversation because one of his homeboy working for, he hit me up yesterday because me and him do the same thing. He do Uber, I do DoorDash. And he told me that one of our classmates, I know him from school, from middle school. I know this guy. I'm not gonna even say his name. He told me that he hit him up and asked him for $50, and he works. If he don't work for the city, he works for the county. And you know, the city and the county, they make good money, especially the county. I think the county, working for the county, you make more money. But he hit him up and asked him for $50. When he told me that, I was rolling because we had that conversation. It was like, we think that we doing bad. Even though we in a bad situation right now, they have other people out there that's doing worse. And it's true. So it's crazy. I have to get this situation fixed ASAP today. I do not want to drive the Lexus out there because the Lexus burn more gas than my car. But if I have to do what I have to do to make my money, I'm going to have to do it. You know, so, but I'm going to see how it's going to go. So I'm not going to drive my car. My car is not drivable. It's drivable, but I'm going to end up getting a flat sooner or later. Y'all see how bad the tire is. Y'all see how bad the tire is. It's bad. It's no good. Tire done. Tire mashup. Smooth. Showing the making of the tire. I could reverse out, hit a corner, tire bust. Tire is done with. Yeah, what a joke, yeah. So yeah, it's a wrap. It's over with. So that's my update with the car right now, with my vehicle. I need to get installed the axle, tie rods. I need to get alignment. I need tires. Of course, I need tires before I get alignment. I'm not gonna be able to do that at this point. I have another spare at my house, inside my house, so I'm gonna have to put on that other spare. I might just walk with it, put it in the car, put it in the trunk, and that's what I'm gonna have to do. So I'm gonna do my best to get this side, the driver's side, knocked out. See if I could get some money, maybe $100 for my cousin or whatever. Hopefully she have it, or if he have it, I'm gonna call him and see what he say first. Then I'm gonna call her and see what she say. And I'm gonna if they give it to me, I'm gonna just go to the auto parts store and get the axle for the passenger side, and I'm gonna buy it. And if I could take it to the dealership from where my friend, his friend work at, I'm gonna just take it and pay him $100 and let him knock out everything, get everything out of the way. Well, yeah, that's my update for right now. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. And I will give you another update when I get everything situated and when your boy back on the road or whatever the case is. I might show some footage while he, if I get a chance, I will show some recording footage while he working on it and taking out the axle and everything. And I might do that, you know, just to keep it going. But I hope you guys have a blessed, safe, prosperous, joyful, yes, don't let the devil steal y'all shine. Have y'all a joyful, blessed day. I had burned my hands the other day doing an oil change on this Hyundai messed my hand up, burned my hand doing a Hyundai Santa Fe. I burned my hand. It hit touched the exhaust, the muffler, the exhaust pipe. Yeah, burn it by accident while I was on in the vehicle. My hand actually accidentally touched it and it burned it, but it's healing. It's in the healing process. But yeah, Hope you guys have a blessed, prosperous day. Peace, bye-bye, take care, God bless, until I upload another one. Peace. Boy Night is out.